Okay, boys and girls, today we're going to estimate and measure area of plane shapes by counting unit squares. Alright, read the little tiny story problem. Jamie is measuring the area of the rectangles with 1-inch square tiles. Okay, she says you need grid paper and scissors. I'm not going to give you grid paper and scissors. We're not going to cut this little green square out because then we would be cutting the other side out and we need the other side. So what's going to happen is I just have these squares up here that are the same size as what that square is supposed to be. Okay? Alright, so these are going to be our little square inch tiles. Okay? Alright. We're going to follow directions and you're going to answer the questions as we go. Part A. Place 4 tiles on rectangle A. Here is rectangle A. It says place 4 tiles on it. Are there any gaps?
Yes.
Right? Yes, on the line. Are there any overlaps? Overlaps
No.
means the squares go on top of each other.
No.
Okay, so right now. Jamie says that the area is 4 square inches. Is Jamie's measurement correct?
No.
Why not?
Because it has gaps.
Because it has gaps. So right now. So when you measure area, there can be no space between the tiles. There should be no gaps, okay? Good work. All right, now. Read the next directions. Place 8 tiles on rectangle. Okay, I didn't make 8 tiles. Oh, let me make some more tiles real quick. Okay, so now I have 8 tiles. These ones were made before, so you can't even see them. But you could probably guess, are there gaps?
No.
No, there are no gaps. Oh, so write that down. Are there any overlaps, though?
Yes.
Yes, there are. Jamie says the area is 8 square inches. Is Jamie's measurement correct?
No.
No. So when you measure area, you cannot have overlaps.
No overlaps.
No overlaps. Okay.
It says put 6 tiles.
Now, place 6 tiles on rectangle C. Okay, are there any gaps?
No.
Are there any overlaps?
No.
Make sure you're writing this down. Jamie says the area is 6 square inches. Is Jamie's measurement correct now?
Yes.
Yes. So the area of a rectangle is of this rectangle is how many square inches?
6.
Okay, do you see how we don't say square units this time? That's because they actually told us that it was using inch tiles, okay? So that's how you know instead of saying square units, you can say square inches because it tells you it's inch. Okay? Next. Activity 2. Okay, the big squares are the blue, the little squares are the green, okay? They're the same color. Sorry. This happened that way. All right. Step 1. Estimate the number of blue tiles it will take to cover the gray shape. How many of those, this is estimate, do you have to be right?
No.
No. Estimate right now, how many blue tiles, those big ones, how many big tiles do you think will fit in that rectangle? Write it down right now. Doesn't matter if you get it right. It's okay to get it wrong. Estimate. Doesn't matter. Everybody got it? Okay, step 2. Estimate the number of green tiles you think it will take to cover the gray shape. How many green tiles do you think? Don't think too hard, guys. Just estimate. It's okay. Okay, now step 3 says to trace the blue square pattern 10 times and cut out the square shapes. I think I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Oh, I have way more than 10 big ones. Okay, so I'm okay. Did you guys get your estimates down?
Yeah.
You got your estimates down?
Yeah.
Okay.
We have 18.
All right. So I'm going to put square tiles on the shape.
I'm right.
Don't change your answers. It really doesn't matter. It was an estimate. All right. So now we know how many blue, because cover the gray shape with blue square tiles. Count and write the number of blue square tiles. How many blue square tiles? I know they're yellow technically, but how many blue square tiles were there? 8. So the area is what? 8 blue square tiles. Okay.
You forgot it up there. There's 8. You forgot to say it on the step 1.
No, that's supposed to be the estimate.
Oh.
Like pretend like I estimated that it was going to take 10. Didn't you write down your estimates?
Yeah.
Okay, and then green, I'm going to say 20 for green. Okay. Now, I'm going to keep making lines on there. Just kidding. Okay. So now we need to trace the green square. I already traced the green square tile. Because we cut out the squares. They're already made squares for us for the slope tiles. So now we're going to cover the gray shape with the green square tiles, which is just the small square tiles. Okay? See how many it will take.
I'm so frightened. Whoa! Wow. Thanks. Bravo.
Okay. I may not have made these square tiles exactly what it's supposed to be, so pretend like there's not a gap.
Can I do it?
Oh, no wonder it's not been paper moved.
Did you not notice? I thought you noticed. Yeah, I did. Sticking a ball challenge. Are you gonna pause or
Okay.
I was
Top of the
Take
gray shape
off.
of the green square tiles. How many green square tiles did we say there were? 32. So the area is how many square tiles? 32. Okay. Now, this is saying now the little squares are 1 square centimeter. There are blank unit squares in the shape. Look over here. How many unit squares are there? They already started counting for you. Put 1, 2. You can start putting numbers in each of the squares to figure out what the area of that shape is. Do that now.
Yeah, you counted
Okay.
I got
How many unit squares are there?
17.
Okay, now because this is called a square centimeter, you actually have to say that there is 17 square centimeters. Okay? All right, we're on share and show.